So here is a question that says that a bag contains 20 tickets marked with number 1 to 20. So there are total 20 number of tickets and one ticket is drawn at random. So find the probability that it is multiple of 2 or 5. That means if A is multiple of 2 and B is multiple of 5, then we have to find out probability of A union B. So for that, first we have to find out the probability of multiple of 2. So out of 20, we know that 10 will be multiple of 2. So the answer here will be 0.5. If B is multiple of 5, so out of 20, it is going to be 4 out of 20. So it is your 0.2. And finally, both 5 and 2, that is multiple of 10 will be 10 and 20. So that is 2 by 20 is equal to 0.1. Therefore, using the formula of P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B is equals to, we get 0.5 plus 0.2 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.6. Hence, the answer is C.